It's Mrs. Jill Code again. We are now on our cursive lesson number 3. So today we are going to work on our letters. But we're not going to go through the order of the alphabet. We're going to go in order of the way they're formed. All right. So the first one that we're going to do is the letter I. We're probably going to do vowels today. Now, you've already actually been doing I. All right. So we know anytime we start cursive, all right. Again, I am right-handed. There we go. So I tilt the paper to the left. All right. That's going to give me my good slant. All right. And I always start on the line. Okay. Now the letter I, we've done before. That was our practice with our swing up, straight down. Okay. But what we're really going to also work on is knowing that it only goes halfway up. Don't take it to the top. It can't go there. Okay. And you put a dot on it. That is your letter I. Swing up, down. And if you notice, when I'm done, I don't just stop it right there, okay? It swings back up a little bit, okay? So, see how I stopped it right there? That's a no. All right. I swing it up, back down. It bumps the line and comes up a little bit again. So you're going to hear me a lot about bumping its butt or bumping its head, all right? Here we don't bump its head. It's just up halfway, down, it bumps its butt and bounces back. Okay, kind of like a trampoline. All right? So you're going to practice those. All right? Until you kind of get the feel of it. All right? So, letter I. The next one we're going to look at, the next letter, is going to be the letter T. Why the letter T? Well, because it's almost just like the letter I. So the letter T is going to go all the way up to this line. Starts on the bottom line. It goes past that halfway point, okay? So again, that upswing hits its head, back down. And notice I finish with a curve. It's our finish line through it. I'll do another one. All right, swing up, back down, bumps its butt and up. Notice my gap is very small here. You will have a gap, but you do not want a huge gap. It's very small. So when you go up, you come straight back down and then you break away, bump your butt, and bounce up. All right, let's try it again. Here we go. We swing up, smack our head on the ceiling, travel back down, separate, bump our butt on the floor, and up. And then we cross our T. So, those are the first two letters. Hit your head, back there, you trace back down, separate, bump your butt, and up, line. All right, so I want you to really practice that I and the T, okay? When you're feeling good about it, then you can spell the word it. I, T, finish, dot, cross. Okay, here we go. I, T, finish, dot, cross. I, T, finish. All right. Then you can do T-I. T, I, finish. Notice with cursive, you do your crossing and dotting when you're done with the word. T-I, finish. Don't forget that. Finish. Swoop it up. T-I, finish. All right. We're going to do another vowel. Okay. We're going to do this vowel because you've already practiced it. So again, we're going halfway up. This is a halfway up letter. Start on the bottom and we're looping. Loop. Hit the bottom and finish. Loop at the bottom and finish. Have you figured out what letter that is? It's the letter E. That's our printed E. So it kind of looks the same. Still has that loop, it's just in a different spot. So let's do some more E's. Halfway and finish. Halfway, loop, finish. Halfway, loop, finish. Practice those. Our last consonant. I'm going to do 4 letters today. Okay? Is the L. It's almost identical to the E, only the L hits its head on the ceiling. Loops up, smacks its head, back, down, finish. Loops up, smacks its head, back, down, finish. Loops up, smacks its head, back, down, finish. All right. So practice those. And then you can combine all 4 of these letters. So we have words. All right. Let, L-E-T. All right. L goes all the way up, hits its head, swoops. Now don't stop your pen moving. It goes right into the E and right into the T. Then you pick up your pen. So that's the key with cursive. You don't pick your pen up or you don't pick your pencil up. Let's try let again. I know I need a big circular, small circle, straight up, bump, straight down, cross. Let's try the word lit, L-I-T. So, since we're learning this, we need to remember how we form the letters before we start that pen moving. Okay, here we go. L, so that's a little tall loop. I, halfway up, back down. T, all the way up, back down. Dot, cross. Do it again. L. Notice how slow I'm going. I, T. I know some of you want to go fast with this. Okay, you can't go fast until we've really got these letters down, because then you lose the form and people won't be able to read it. So we practice nice and slow, and then you will get to the point where you're able to go a little faster. But see, I'm still not that much faster. Okay? All right. You can mix up your letters. We can write the word tell. That has all these letters we've learned. Okay, T, E, halfway up, and then big loop, don't forget to finish. Cross your T. Till. All right, swing up, straight back down, up halfway, back down. Loop, hits his head, loop, hits his head, bring it back up for a finish, cross, dot. All right, so those are the 4 letters we've learned today. Okay, we've learned the I. We learned, where is it? The T. And you'll start to recognize them, all right? See how similar? It's just slanted. Same thing with the I. It's slanted and it has a swoop up and a swoop down. The E, look how similar. And the L has that loop. Okay, so with those 4 letters, you definitely can start putting them together. Remember, they link. You're not lifting that pen up until you're done with the word. Then you give it its finishing little ta-da. All right, so that's cursive lesson number 3, where we did the letters I, T, E, and L. All right, practice. That's why I'm spreading these out, because I want you to practice, my friends. All right, we'll see you at lesson number 4.